Feeling overwhelmed by stress? What if I told you there is an ancient Vedic secret that finding unshakable calm right within you? Today, most of us treat stress like it's inevitable, a default part of our modern life. We rush, multitask, and call it being productive. But deep down, we are running on fumes. And the sad part, we think calmness is something we'll earn after everything is done. Namaste, Karyans. I'm Vanitha Ganeshmurthy Dgvg, your Vedic to-do list coach and the founder of KaryaSiddi Productivity Hub. You're listening to Vedic Productivity Talks, where we grow 1% every day the Vedic way. In the Vedic view, calmness is not a reward, it's your default nature. Stress arises only when we disconnect from that inner state. The rishis called it Sthitha Prajna, a balanced mind rooted in awareness. When you bring simple daily anchors like mindful breath, gratitude pauses, and reflecting silence, your mind naturally returns home to calmness. It's not about removing stress, it's about transforming your relationship with it. So, today, take one mindful pause between tasks, breathe, center yourself, and remember you're not your stress. You are the stillness beneath it. If this message resonated, follow the Vedic Productivity Talks for more insights on living the 1% growth the Vedic way. I wish you all to be very productive and have a great day. Bye. Jai Hind.